Want to learn the slap? Okay, let's do it. We're going to pick up our foot at the knee. Remember, tap goes up and down, not forward and back, so we don't want to swing back. We want to lift right up at the knee, squeezing our core, making sure that our weight is all over one foot, our supporting leg. So we're going to start with a brush, which is a strike against the floor, and then we're just going to touch. So we're going to touch that toe right back down. So it's going to go brush, touch, brush, touch, brush, touch. That touch bears no weight. A slap. So even though I'm touching it, I am not leaning into it. That is a different step. That's a flap. That's if I were to put weight into it, just touching it. Now let's try to keep it right underneath our body. So on the other side. Lifting at the knee, a nice relaxed ankle. Timing the counts, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. One more time on the other side. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. And that's the slap. If you would like to do a whole class with me, beginning to end with a warm-up, a posture check, learning some beginner steps, and doing a basic beginner routine, you need no experience, you don't even need tap shoes. Grab the link below and I'll see you there.